What's up, guys? Welcome back to Bakes Foods. Today we're gonna make Massaman Curry. It's gonna be good.
It's gonna be more than good.
Also, if you're watching and you like the videos, please give us a thumbs up, give us a like, subscribe. It helps us so much.
Immensely. Please do.
Enjoy. Okay, so we're using Massaman curry paste. So we're just gonna do like half a cup, 3/4 of a cup here, and a little bit of olive oil. And we're gonna go ahead and saute our curry paste around.
What does sauteing the curry paste do?
Activates the flavors, and it kind of also, what's the word I'm looking for? Like melts it down and spreads it out, you know, breaks it down, makes it smoother.
Alright.
Okay. Now we're gonna add our coconut milk. One 13.5 ounce can. Continue to stir that around, breaking down this curry paste, mixing it in.
Look at that. Look at that color already.
Oh yes. Oh my goodness.
That already looks like a very delicious color, for sure.
Now we've got boneless chicken thighs, so we're just gonna cut this in rough chunks. You know, we don't really care too much. Okay, we got it all cut up now. I'm just gonna salt it a little bit here. Okay, just a little bit of salt. There's plenty of flavors in that curry paste. So now we're gonna take it and add it to our curry starter. Oh yes. So we're gonna mix this in, cook the chicken for about 7 minutes, and then we'll add the rest of our curry paste and the rest of our coconut milk. Alright.
It's like coconut yogurt.
Oh yes.
It's got that beautiful golden orange color.
And the chicken is mostly getting cooked here. So what we're going to do is we're going to pour half in this, keep half in this, pour half in this, and we're going to do an extra spicy curry, and then our regular Massaman curry in here.
And how does that make you feel, Jacob?
Quite excited. Okay, we've got our 2 pans going now. So now we're going to start adding our ingredients.
Okay.
We're going to add our zucchini, potatoes, and carrots. I'm going to do a couple cans of water.
So I've got 1/2 of our onion already nice and cut up here. I'm doing this just measured out. We're gonna add that to our first batch. Then I'm gonna get the other half cut up and throw it in here.
Oh! What's wrong, Benjamin?
Onion juice in the eye, man.
Friends don't let friends play with onions.
This is just all with the blood, sweat, and tears. So we got our water chestnuts here, about evenly broken down into even portions. We're gonna go ahead and get those in the pan. these stuck a little bit.
Okay. Season it up a little bit. Garlic powder. 4 or 5 tablespoons of soy sauce. We just like to season to taste here. Don't add too much. You can always add some later. Ground black pepper. There's a lot of seasoning, a lot of spices in the curry paste, so you don't really need to do a whole lot there. But this is the most important part, other than the curry paste, obviously. Peanut butter. You add a few tablespoons of peanut butter. 4 tablespoons to each here. Add a little bit more, and then on our spicy pan here, we're gonna go ahead and add another little.
Would you call that a dollop?
A little dollop of curry paste. Let's look at that paste. There's so much flavor in there.
That's beautiful.
I'm just gonna let them simmer for about 35 minutes. There it is. About 45 minutes of simmering. Massaman curry. Alright guys, here it is. Our Massaman curry. Alright.
Oh. Dude, that chicken thigh stayed just so perfectly moist and juicy and tender. Oh. And then with the root vegetables and every kind of seasoning and everything just breaks down and permeates into every vegetable. It's just the best mixture of all kinds of flavors.
It's just thick, creamy, peanut buttery. You got that nice coconut flavor. And what you can do is, you just follow that recipe and you can season it to taste afterwards. So if you want it spicier, you can add more curry paste. You can add cayenne pepper. If you want it a little sweeter, you can add sugar, saltier. You get the picture.
It's so good. Get a bite of that rice in there. That sauce.
Get some rice.
Oh, mop all that up.
Curry.
Dude.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like button, subscribe for more videos, that bell notification. Let us know what you think in the comment section below, and until the next one, peace out. What were you going to say?
I was going to say definitely hit that notification button.
I thought you were going to say like, bakes out or something cool.
Bakes out or something.